all truth and glory to the Most High and no one else, who is the Father and Mother of creation. Family, I come back to you once again. I've been paying attention to something, and I went through something here. And I've noticed on television and in the public that how people are beginning to place a hand on your shoulder. And it began to bother me. I began to look into it. I knew it meant something. I just didn't know. I was at a restaurant one day sitting down. This guy came up and it's kind of like he wanted my seat. It was kind of busy. I was just sitting there. I was getting ready to go anyway. But after he put his name on the list, his server came and told him his table was ready. He kind of wanted to apologize, but he asked, could he buy me a beer? I told him, no, I was good. But I noticed he put his hand on my shoulder and said I was good salt. You're good salt. It bothered me. I knew it was something. I knew it meant something at the time. But after that, I got sick. And I began to write down what happened to me. I began to have shortness of breath, and this lasted a while. If I can't breathe, also advised with and I didn't put the code in there, but it was vampire energy. Vampire energy was one of the codes. And if I would steal energy, he was stealing my energy. Also advised with spiritual battle. So I had been noticing a lot of hand being placed on the shoulder through television and life general. People going around placing their hand on your shoulder. Be careful, people, while you're out there in the public. People uncommonly coming up to you. You don't even know them and placing their hand on your shoulder. They're stealing your energy, calling you to be sick. And as I go on through this here code and cipher, you're going to see. So a demonic human being. What vibe with it? Of course. Nephilim. Artificial intelligence. I believe truly that this guy was a Nephilim. Because he invited me after he touched me on my shoulder to a place called Elk Lodge. I don't hang out in no lodges, especially on Elk Lodge. That's pretty much Freemasonry stuff. I don't get off into that. If he's going to buy me a steak, I don't even eat meat, so it was all messed up. But I think I said in my last video, your Nephilims are artificial intelligence. They've been compromised. They're alone humans. They've sold their soul. And then you have these codes. Judgment has come. Judgment is here. Judgment is real. Then you have rewarded for good. Our judgment is not going to be bad. But what is the reward? What are you rewarded for evil? You rewarded for good. And like I said, the rabbit holes have been closed. What is it? It's continue to keep the law, statutes, and commandments. If you keep the law, statutes, commandments, and instructions, your reward would be good. But it's simple. If you don't keep it, it's not going to turn out too good for you. You will be judged on keeping the laws, statutes, and commandments that the Most High has given, and not Yahweh commandments. Yahweh has 613 laws, statutes and commandments. 3 times 1 equals 3, and then your 6. So you have your 3 6s, which is Freemasonry numbers all over it. Or you can have 3 times 6 is 18. 1 plus 8 equals 9, which 9 in reverse is 6. When you look at your Bible, your books, it's filled with 66 chapters and all Freemasonry numbers. Jesus rose on the third day. You know, you can't make this stuff up. This is the beast system. Hmm. And then I saw Oprah Winfrey, Forrest Gump, entertainment, children of Israel, the making of Mike and Game. What is this? This is nothing but Yahweh children. That's soul, that's soul. They are the beast of the field. Once again, you shouldn't be surprised. Nephilim. You see, I've given a drop. Most High has showed me, whether you believe it or not, you got to do your own study and research. That in your book, the children of Israel is not the real humans. They are the Nephilims. The Nephilims were enslaved, not the children of Israel. What makes you think that a human being can pick up a ton boulder or a ton rock and build a pyramid and place it up there strategically right? No. See, Nephilim had the ability to go off into a jungle, kill an 800-pound buffalo, throw it over his shoulder, walk out of there with it, eat it, and continue to drink gallons of wine with it. Humans can't do that. Continue to say that the books are by magic, spells. Your slaves were the Nephilims to the angels. They may be shocking to some of you, but you're going to find out here real soon the scripted reality we live in. History is nothing but a lie. Then I saw God hidden secrets, guide stones, emerald green tablets, and what vibe with it? Key of magic. You see, this putting the hand on the shoulder comes back down to, oh wow, killing, murder. You're going to see that in a few seconds. Magic. Edgar Casey was a clairvoyant who claimed to uniquely channel his own higher self. Also wrote a book on Atlantis and was called America's Greatest Psychic. What was he open to? Well, he was open to channeling and medium. And this is what the hand on the shoulder is. And that's good, Most High. When you're in church and they lay hands on you, oh yeah, they transferring something on you, all right. It's good, Most High. Call yourself falling down and getting back up. Yeah. Wow, it makes sense. Be careful when you're out there about people touching on you. This is one of their end game strategies that they're using. And then you have this Samuel Little. See about it. He was a serial killer. We have been telling you, myself, Edgar Mendez, Search the Creator, Sort of Thou Weed is showing you that they are out to kill you. And now the Most High has given us the drop that be careful who is touching on you out in the public. If you don't know these people, just jerk back from them and tell them, I don't like all that touching. They got to respect it. They got to respect it. Don't touch me. This is a spiritual battle, family. What's going on? No soul ties. Magic is here. The channeling, the media. They have all kind of ways to try to get at us. I'm just giving you the drop that the Most High has shown me. Because you see it all through television. Television is showing you what's going on. You think that the touching of laying the hands on the shoulder is a good thing, but it's not. You try to make that self seem a little bit higher than you. But who cares? Keep your hands to yourself. Unless it's family members that you know, don't allow people. We are in a spiritual battle. And I'm just getting over from being sick. I had to ask the Most High, since He exposed to me, deliver me from this Most High, this shortness of breath. And the Most High has. He has. And I thank the Most High. So, family, be aware of the spiritual battle that we're going through, what the enemy has going on. Wow, vampire energy. They're stealing our energy, people, by laying on hands on your shoulder and in church. All praise, all truth and honor to the Most High, who is the Father, Mother of creation. No one else. Be blessed, family. Be blessed.